Grade 6, dear designers and creators, today we are having a practical tutorial. It is a basic tutorial about Microsoft PowerPoint where we will go through the Microsoft PowerPoint software and look around how many features we have and what are the different features that we can use to create our presentation. These are the 4 learning outcomes or objectives for our lesson today. Number 1, open Microsoft PowerPoint. So we will learn how to open Microsoft PowerPoint. Number 2, look around the file option. Number 3, look around the toolbar. Number 4, look into the feature that is zoom in and zoom out.
First thing I will give you as a tip number 1. During tutorials I'm going to give you tips. So tip number 1 is for ICT, even for all the other subjects also you can do, create a folder on your desktop and name it as ICT, or name is at Science, English, and all the worksheets, all the tutorials, all the files you can put in that folder. As it is an online learning or e-learning, so it will be easy for you to organize all your information, worksheets, tutorials in a particular folder. So I have already created a folder over here, my ICT folder. I will just give you a short tutorial how to create a folder. Right click from your mouse, you have a new option and then you have a folder. So here you can write, for example, Ahmed-ICT. So now you can put all your folders, files, everything over here related to ICT. Same you can make it for science, English, Arabic and all other subjects. Double click the folder and that's how you can open the folder. Now here I have a PowerPoint example that I already created with 3 slides. Just we will have a basic idea of what kind of buttons, what kind of toolbar we have in Microsoft PowerPoint and how we can create presentation using those features. Right click, you can double click as well. Open with Microsoft PowerPoint. If you don't want to follow this step, you can just double click and you can open Microsoft PowerPoint. And then this button is maximize. This is minimize, means going down here to the taskbar. And this is maximize, means you can see the PowerPoint on your full screen. So here I have created 3 slides for your example. Slide 1, I'm giving tutorial to my grade 6. Slide 2, it's a short tutorial about ICT. And slide 3, back to school. So this could be my storyboard topic. Now, minimize, I want to show you again how to open Microsoft PowerPoint in another way. I have a Microsoft PowerPoint here that I can double click and open. And I can open it from here in a search area as well. If I write PowerPoint, you can see I have PowerPoint 2013 here. I can just click one time and open it. I will click here because I want to open it from here just to show you. Double click and you will get Microsoft PowerPoint. Maximize. I just want to show you this page. We have some ready-made examples, or you can say templates. So you don't need to design your own colors or format or layout. You can take ready-made from here and then you can do changes according to your need. Or you can just take the blank presentation and start making it. Plus we have some types of templates. Templates means they are ready-made. You just need to change it according to your designs and needs. If I go to business, I have all the examples and templates ready-made. So I will just show you by clicking only one. Let's click this one. So here if I click on create, now it's giving me restaurant pitch deck. So that means this template we can use for restaurant purpose. If I click on create, so see I have already styles, designs over here created. This is slide 1, this is 2, this is 3. So I can just remove all this and edit my own. For example, I will just highlight, backspace, and I can write my own. So these are called templates. I will just close this because I don't save. I will open my own. Let's open with here from search area, PowerPoint PowerPoint. I'm just showing you different ways how to open your Microsoft PowerPoint, so it will be easy for you to understand. Maximize. Now I have the education examples and templates, charts, diagrams, personal, themes. So I can choose any that I want if I need any ready-made example and just to change it according to me. Right now, if you want the blank one, just click and you will get the blank presentation that you can design it according to you. Now here, like Microsoft Word, I have the same. Info, I want new, I want to open any PowerPoint that I saved already. If I want to save as, print, share, export. In export, we can create PDF that we can send it to our friends or teachers. PDF format cannot be changed. If you want to create a video, whether you save as or create PDF or create a video, your original file will be there. Only the copy file will be created as a PDF or a video, or if in case you want to click on save as and create it another copy of your PowerPoint presentation. You can select from here directly any folder that you want to save your PowerPoint, or you can just click on browse and you will get folders and files. Great. And I can select desktop here. I can save it here by giving the name here. Download, documents, anywhere where I want. I can make my own grade. For example, I'm studying in grade 3, so I can just make my own folder grade 3 and I can save all my work over there. And if you want to save your presentation, it should be in PowerPoint presentation. If I click here, I have so many formats, but I have to choose the first one. Every format has its special reason. But right now we are going to create a simple presentation. So here we are going to choose PowerPoint presentation. Make sure it is this one, PowerPoint presentation, ppts. And here if you want to rename it, so you will just write, for example, your name, or you can write tutorial 1. Okay, and then you will click on save. I want to save it here in documents, or let's save it on the desktop. I have created Ahmed ICT, so I can save it here. So that's how you can save. Coming towards the one that I already created for you. Now we have home. In home, I can create a new slide directly from the top here when I click, or I can click from the bottom to choose a design, which design I want to create my slide. So for example, I want this one. So see, the layout here is different and the layout in fourth one is different. This is my first slide. So 1, this is the second 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Now, coming towards new slide. Or let's revise the font style and size. For example, I'm here, my grade 6. Highlight and you can change font style. You can change font size. This is a tip 2 from my side. Do not keep your text very small. Keep your text big. The colors should not be too bright. The colors should not be too light. Colors should not disturb the audience, or they should not disturb your eyes when you are looking at the colors. So right now, this is small, so I can make it big from here as well. See, increase font size. Click, 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 click. Yep, better. Got it? And here, you can write your name, grade, and date. We have the boxes in which we can write. In case you want to move this box, so you have to click on these dotted lines and move. See, I can move it anywhere I want. Coming towards moving or making your image big and small. We have already done this in Microsoft Word, but just revising it. If you want to make the picture small, so we have these small boxes at the corners, here, 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 and here. So you can just click and drag down to make it small, like that. Or you can make it big by click and drag. Yes, That's how you can do it. Now coming towards, we have directly putting the shapes, and we have find and replace as well over here. Coming towards insert. In insert, you can insert tables. I'm just inserting it to show you. I inserted a table. If I want to delete, you can click left button, then right button, and I want to cut. See? Done. We have undo button and we have repeat button. The same we have in Microsoft Word. So for example, I want to undo. I want the table again. The table is here. And now I don't want the table. So repeat. Repeat what? There was no table, right? So I want to repeat that. That's it. Now coming towards insert. In insert, we are done with the table. We already have new slide button over here as well. No need to go to home again and just have a new slide. We already have it here. Plus, we can right click on the slide and we can copy the slide. We can paste the slide. We can have a new slide. We can duplicate the slide. Duplicate and copy are both same. We can delete slide. We can add selection to the slide and many more options over here. We can format background. We can reset slide. Reset is same as undo. In case I have done some changes and I don't want any changes, I can just click on reset slide. Picture. In this option, I can take pictures from my computer that I have saved. So let's take a picture. I will go to downloads. I have some pictures over there. I have this picture. Double click and I got the picture over here. Cool. Now I can delete the picture. Right click and cut. Okay. Now I have online pictures. Online pictures are same like clip art. I think in 2007 version it's clip art. And here in 2013 and 16 version, we have online pictures. Both are same. I want online picture of a smiley. Let's take a smiley. If you have an internet connection, you can use online pictures. If you don't have internet connection, you won't be able to use the online picture button because we are taking this from search buttons, Google or Bing or Internet Explorer. See, I got it. It's very big. We have to make it small and put it here. Okay. Now coming towards shapes. We have shapes over here, same like Microsoft Word. We have a text box in case I want to write something. So I will just click here and then click and drag. So I can just start typing here. For example, hello. And then I have header and footer, same like Microsoft Word. Header is the extra information at the top of a slide. And footer is an extra information at the bottom of a slide. And then we have word art. If I need a word art, I have date and time. I have slide number, same like page number. But in Microsoft Word, we have pages and here we have slides. And then I have equations. Here I have video. I can put video. I can put video online, searching it and taking it and inserting. Or I can have a video on my PC. PC means my personal computer. I already have saved a video on my computer, so I can click here and get the video. Coming towards audio, we can take an online audio. We can take audio that is saved on my PC, means on my computer, or I can record audio directly in here in PowerPoint. We will be doing these two, video and audio, inshallah, later in ICT practical sessions. Do not worry, dear students. Coming towards design. Now, in design, I have already choose this design. I can change it. So if I don't want to click, I just want to see, I want to check. So I can just put my pointer. See, this is how it will show me that this is the design. I can just put a pointer and see. Great. Now, coming towards format background. In case I don't want any style from here, from the top, so I can go here to the format background, the background area. Solid. Solid means I need maybe one color. So I can just click on one color. and it is only applied to my first slide. If I want to apply to all my slides, so I will just click on apply to all. If I don't want this, so I can just say reset background. So see, you can reset the background only one time. Coming towards gradient. In gradient, I can mix some of the colors. For example, here is white, so I can put blue. I will click this and I will put any other color, for example, dark blue. See, I'm just putting the colors and you can see the slides are changing. The background is changing. And then I can take this and I can put maybe this one. Okay, see? Now, in case if I don't want this, again, I can reset background. Or if I like this and I want to apply in all of them, so I can click on apply to all. So let's do apply to all just to show you and see everything. All the slides are changed. All this background of all the slides. See? Now, as my 4 and 5 is extra, I want to delete. So just right click, delete. Or you have delete button on your keyboard as well. So you can press that button as well. Right click, delete. Coming towards transition. For example, I want to turn my book pages. So I can turn it from the top, holding with my fingers, or middle or bottom. So here, if I want to change slide 1 to slide 2 and slide 2 to slide 3, I can select designs. So for example, I want to select design for slide 3, fracture. That's how the slide will change. For number 2, let's make it follower or curtains. So this is how the slide will change. When the second slide comes, this is how the second slide will come. Now how the slide number 1 should come, maybe comb, like that. So if you want to see how the transition works, you can click on preview. This is slide 1. And if I want to see for slide 2, preview, this is slide 2. This is how the slide 2 will come. And this is slide 3, preview. This is how the slide 3 will come. And if you put animations, for example, I want to put animation on this picture. So go to animations and you can select any picture animations that you want. I can choose wipe, I can choose wheel, I can choose grow and turn. So these are all the animations that you can choose. Now I've already put some animations over here. See, this is animation 1 that will work. Then this is animation 3. This animation is 2. And this animation is 4. So if you put animations, it will show you what will happen first, what will happen second, what will happen third, and what will happen fourth. Now let's see. I have a slideshow button over here. And I have a slideshow here. So I want to see from beginning or from current slide. It's up to me. Current means, for example, I select 2. So I will see animations only on the whole slideshow only on 2. I want from beginning. And you can zoom in and zoom out. Same like Microsoft Word, like that. If you want to do any designing and you need to zoom in or zoom out. Right now it's tip from my side. You can make it till here, like that. Or little bit like that. So the whole slide you can see and you can do design while looking at the whole slide. Let's start from beginning. You have to press your keyboard arrow down key to see animations. And even you can press the right arrow key to see your animations. So from beginning, okay, I will press the arrow down button on my key. Good, great. See, I'm just pressing the arrow down button and all the animations are working. Great. These are all different types of animations that you can use. Now the animations are finished. So we are going to slide number 2. Now I have to click the arrow down button to see the animation. Great. Now this is slide 3. I want to see the animation. Arrow down button. arrow down button, I'm clicking on my, pressing the arrow down button on my keyboard. See, the boy back to school means he is missing his school and he want to go back to his school. So this was just giving an idea with the help of the picture. Like same I have explained you in a storyboard, that put the pictures that gives audience an idea what is happening or what the text should be.
Thank you students for watching and listening to tutorial video. Inshallah, we will start creating presentations also with the help of tutorials and theory sessions. Dear students, please practice, and you can send your pictures and videos while you are practicing. I will be waiting for it.